Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit those post notification bells so that you get notified whenever I post another video. So yes, today I sat there guys and I'm going to be cooking curry chicken for my lunch today. Yes guys, I just want to say thank you again to everybody who tuned into the channel, who subscribed, yes, who watched my videos, and all of the people who learned something. I hope that you guys are learning something from watching my videos. Please remember to like the video, guys, share the videos to family and friends. Don't wait till when the channel hot before you support the channel. So yes guys, I'm going to be cooking, and say we're going to also boil some flour. So yeah, that's what we're cooking guys. We're going to cut up the meat. I could have out a little more, but so we're going to cut up the meat. Hey guys, cut up the meat as fine as we can.
Yeah, because he have only weight and then guess what? And tall and he come with the bottom.
Yeah guys, so we are cut up the meat small. If we could have cut it, we could find out, but most of the pieces are mostly wing. Mostly wing part, depend. Must have said, me I use two knives. One sharp and one. So yeah guys, we are cut up the meat. That knife is sharper. The one I just big and dull. So yeah guys, when you cook your curry chicken, cut up your chicken as fine as you can. Cut your chicken as fine as you can guys. Fine. And I cut up my chicken and I feed the cat them at the same time. Look like a pea bone that all of the skin guys. Fine. With one big piece of breast and pea wing. It's so fine me I cut it guys. So you can see. So sugar. I mean I don't know if me have breadfruit can roast guys. I don't know if me can me have no breadfruit can roast. So yes guys, we done cut up with meat. Nothing else there to cut up. Hey guys, remember to subscribe guys. Our meat after we cut it up. This is the type of curry that I'm going to be using. So you can see it, I think a better pack. This curry I'm going to use curry my chicken. And then I'm going to be using local jerk season. Guys, if you don't see me use salt, then the seasoning here have salt on it, that's why Me not use no salt. So yeah, me I put some of it for me meat. Mix it around. Some of the meat. I don't know if you feel it. Me not listen. And yeah, guys, this is the curry. Better pack. We're gonna add it too, and we're gonna you know, so we're not gonna use. So yeah, guys, me gonna put some. I gonna cut up the pepper. Cut up the pepper, guys. Me have to go and cut it up. Yeah, me hand. Guys, so we cut up the pepper. You know, so curry is something more spicy. So we cut up enough curry in it, pepper in it. So little more of the curry. Mix it in. So yeah, guys, this is the curry. This is the seasoning. How my meat look. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna add more coal. Fire. Cool. We already have fire here. Hey guys, we're gonna put the fire. We pot on the fire. Guys, we're gonna add me oil. Add me oil, guys. And then we're gonna add the rest of my curry. Go on. We're gonna add the rest of the curry, guys. Put it with oil hot. We're gonna add in the rest of the curry. Make the curry burn. Yeah, guys. We're adding the rest of the curry. Make it burn. As we're adding the meat. Direct move from the fire, move. Hey guys. Ooh, meat smell nice. Hey guys. That's it, everything gone in. Okay, so we meat going there, guys. Nice, beautiful curry. So yeah. So the nice, beautiful curry, guys. I'm gonna put piece of pumpkin in our curry. Put it. Put it up fine, guys. Fine. That's one little piece of curry, pumpkin in it. I don't need no big batch. I will leave a pumpkin to overpower you. Or something. Cut up the pumpkin. Man.
Mommy,
Yeah?
now I make the bike son, cause come this I use my imagination, my mouth and brain and the bicycle.
Okay. Hey guys, Just one little piece of pumpkin we use. Remember guys to subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed. Yeah, so that we can keep bringing you food content, Jamaican food content. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to all of my 840 subscribers. Yes, me appreciate. Uno. Keep on add water to the curry. I notice with them curry anytime them brown. They no bother curry again. So I go add you with pumpkin. Add in with pumpkin guys. I go put a little more water in here. The pumpkin guys I go help to put more body in the curry. I'll show you after again. Smells really good. Go. Wash out everything out of it. Let it cook. Add some coconut milk to the pot. Some coconut milk. And guys. Milk in the curry. This butter boil up. Look really nice and it smells really good. So yeah guys, we are using coconut. You need the flour. Guys, this coconut milk. Need the flour.
That's it. So how you gonna look a bit hard?
Hey guys, we are mix up the flour. I'll put a little more flour in it.
No. Too much.
And then add more coconut milk to it.
That's a little too much.
This is how the dough look. We still need it same way, but hey guys, still I need it same way. But guys, water boil up, so we are putting the flour then. Guys, I make me nice little dainty dumpling then. It's a dumpling and name go caramel coconut dumpling. This is what it's named. I think the packet is supposed to be out. Good living, make a better place for you and for me. And make sure so you put no dumpling in a boiling water, guys. The dumpling have to go in the water when the water boil, or it go stick up. It go soak up the water if it's not hot. So for your week, I have to look for you, I know for me eye. I know for me pick me, I will see look for you.
So come on, Jay. Are you?
Okay, come on, dear. I'm not dumpling. I'm tired.
How did you?
So, no dumpling for me. You cannot make it.
Yes. What?
Okay, try to make dumpling in one different way. I love dumplings still. I mean, like, you know, I like it when it has a little bit of caramel, not too much caramel in it. But I prefer the dumpling without the caramel overall, guys. So, but these are just for video purposes. Cause you know, so some people are gonna come in, you put up dumpling in caramel, and so you know, I prefer if my dumpling no have no caramel in it overall. It's a good amount of dumpling. Want to comment and tell me how much dumpling you can eat, guys, per plate. My limit, the most dumpling me ever eat one time was at least 8. That's the most, and a big jumbo dumpling. Like a small dumpling, me did. You know, no extra big dumpling. Remember, guys, to subscribe if you are not subscribed. Hit those post notifications. My flour them a boil up. So yeah. So we're cooking, guys. So yeah, guys, this is my food. My food. So I'm going to dig in now. Hey guys, the curry. Well, curry. Hey guys. Guys, well cooked. Remember, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video.